Ayun, my name is Lyn, this is VideoEditorStudio. So, mag-unboxing tayo ulit. Something regarding sa setup ulit. I got this one sa Lazada. This is the LS08 Flexible Arm. So, basically, ano siya? Yung nga, arm siya, lalagay ko sa table. Yan. I'll be attaching this to my table kasi nga gusto ko ng permanenteng paglalagyan ng camera, and I hope this one works. I really do hope it works. Kailangan ko pa ng gunting? So hindi na. Yeah, okay, sige. So that's good. Yan. Okay. So maganda packaging niya so far. Ayun. Nahulog yung manual. In general, mukhang maganda naman ang quality niya. Ito. Tsura niya. Yan. Tsura niya. So, mapapansin nyo, dalawang angle ang ginagamit ko. So, really, this is more of an experiment na dalawang angle ang ginagamit ko. So, this is yung pinaka main clamp. Mukhang matibay naman siya. Sana. I do hope na kaya niyo buhatin yung camera kasi nakalagay dito kaya niya magbuhat ng 1 kg. And yeah, I need 1 kg. Konti pa. Yun. Okay. Looks sturdy. Okay, next one. So ito ay ano ba to? How do you connect this one? Meron tong parang screw. Wait, mukhang adapter siya. Isa pang adapter. Wait, tingnan natin kung paano kinakabit ito. Quality certificate, okay. So that looks good. Okay. So this one is yung loose, pag-loosen sa kanya. Once ma-loosen up siya, ayan, magagalaw na natin yung arm. Okay, so I now can imagine na it could hold the weight. Bakit hindi ko siya masaksak? Okay, hold. Yan, better. Okay. Okay. Next one. I still have to figure out paano ko magagamit ito. Paano yung positioning niya. Oh. Okay, ayos. Tapos, yung dulo nito, doon ko kakabit yung camera. So, na-unbox na natin. So, try na natin yung kabit ngayon. Oh, okay, ito to. Wait. Pang-tighten. Meron siyang maliit na pang-tighten. Okay, sige, mamaya natin gagamitin yung pag ikakabit na natin siya na maayos. Okay, bago natin tuloy yung video, kung mahilig kayo sa mga board games, check this video out. That was Variable Play. We are a group of content creators focused on tabletop games and some video games. Marami silang shows katulad ng mga unboxing, let's play, miniature painting, how to play, board game news, game discussions, and more. Sige, on to the video! Okay, so dinidebug ko yung aking yung camera. Feeling ko kailangan ko yata mag-restart ng computer, so masa-stop yung recording ko for a bit. So nakakabit na siya. Ayan siya ngayon. So nag-restart ako ng computer. Ngayong click-click-pan. Start ako ng computer kasi ayaw mag-start ng yung Canon EOS web utility. Of course, we need that to get things running. Ngayon, para makita ko na maayos yung aking video, kailangan ko paanda rin ang OBS kasi nakapag-state ka. Hindi ko malalaman kung tama ba yung angulo ko, tama ba yung adjust pa natin yung angulo. Kaya pinag-isip ko, kailangan ko siya lipat. Kasi ang problem ko, parang ang layo. Tingnan natin ha. Experiment tayo ng angulo. Okay, ibang angulo naman. Testing ulit. Natin baba ng konti. Ang tagal. Okay, angle. I think it's getting better. Hi, hello. So, ito yung aking recording position so far. And I hope this is good. I think it is a slightly better angle niya. Not too much na konti. Yeah, so far so good. Mukhang maayos-ayos na nga ang aking position. I think this is a good recording position. Yun, sana ayos lahat. So, magano na so far yung camera. Meron na ako stand. Pwede ko rin siya tanggalin sa pinagalagay niya. Tapos para maano ko. Pero yun yung angle ay, kasi kailangan ko tanggalin siya on regular basis. So baka kailangan ko palitan yung mismong ano niya? Hot, ano ba tawag mo sa kanya? Hot shoe, ano ba tawag mo? Okay, ano to? Yung mount, kailangan ko palitan. Kailangan ko palitan ng something na yung ano to, yung napapanahan siya, yung madali siyang tanggalin. Hindi ko rin kasi lang kung tawag dun eh. Check ulit kung anong tawag dun. Quick release plate. So, kailangan ko siya ng ganun. Kailangan ko ng ganun. May quick release plate. Para madali siyang tanggalin. Yeah, I think this works a lot. This really works well. And usually ito naman yung angle ko talaga. So, kita yung ano ko, kita yung resto ko. Although I'm thinking maybe I might need a wider lens, pero I think this is fine. I think this is good. Ayan. Pero yeah. So far so good. Sana na. Yeah. Ayusin ko na siguro yung colors. Siguro, tingnan ko. Ayusin ko yung filter ko. Yan. Okay. So far that's it. Ayun na yung malayo lang yung mic. Tingnan natin. Tsura ng mic. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Not bad. Okay. So I still have to test paano kakalabasan ng game streaming. Although game streaming, mayroon ako mga parang workaround na iniisip without using a splitter, pero titingnan ko pa. I'll try to test something. See how that goes. Pero yun, so far I like this. Sana okay sturdy yung kundi maraming madadamay. Sana sturdy yung stand, kundi baka masira yung TV in case na magkagulo. Pero I hope this is okay. I hope this is good. Sana matibay. Siguro ito double check ko lang on a daily basis na it would stick. Okay. Nakapatingin ako lagi sa TV kasi dun yung aking parang preview ng camera. I'll try to not get distracted with it. Better. So ganda ba yung ganyan? Yeah, but actually that kinda works well, I think. I hope this is good. Sana maano na rin, makapag na. Maayos na tong setup ko. May bili lang ako ng extra na memory card. Kasi turns out yung isang card reader para sa yung parang adapter pala, SD card adapter para sa Nikon ko. Mukhang damage na. So I have to get another memory card. Although yung Nikon kasi it's pretty much for photography lang talaga. Hindi ko siya ginagamit for video kasi wala talagang video function. Pero in terms of the camera setup, yung vlogging setup, I think this is good. I think this is great. Yeah. Nakakaaliw. So, siguro may konting ayusin lang ako sa camera itself. Pero yun nga, since sa camera na yun, wala na masyadong gagalawin dito sa setup na to. Anyway, it works well. It's looking good. Thank you very much. Thank you sa panonood ninyo. I'm surprised na setup ko to within a week. Lahat ng kailangan ko. Nakuha ko yung battery. Nakuha ko yung stand. Nakakuha ko ng memory card. And yeah, it's all good to go. ano na, ayos na yung setup ko and I'm happy with it. Okay, so that's my video. Kung nag-enjoy kayo rito, like, share, subscribe. Hopefully naging improve yung mga ginagawa ko mga videos. Alam ko yung quality can still improve pa kung wag ko idadaan through OBS, pero titingnan ko kasi pag wala yung OBS, hindi ko makita yung preview since I need the preview to see kung tama ba ginagawa ko hindi. Yung camera kasi na ginagamit ko, walang yung flip na screen. So, talagang sobrang dependent ko sa para makita kung tama ba yung mga angles and stuff. Ayun. So far, that's my video. I hope you like it. Yeah. Thank you very much. Like, share, subscribe, and take care, guys. Bye.